Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone number isn't registered yet on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you're trying to log in with your account using your phone number, but you're facing the issue which is that whenever you try to log in with your account, you see an error that your phone number is not registered yet on TikTok. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So it might be your app issue or it might be your network or server issue. So you can easily fix that by following some steps. The very first step is that you have to make sure that the phone number you're trying to enter or which you are trying to log in is correct. Or if there is an issue with your phone number, so you can fix that. After that, you have to simply scroll down control center, make sure you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go to settings app here, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just tap on App Store to open your App Store or Play Store, and here you have to simply search for TikTok. And you just have to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. There's no any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage here, look for TikTok app, and you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete the app. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. After that, you have to open your TikTok app, and here very first you have to make sure that the phone number you're trying to log in is already registered with an TikTok account, or if your TikTok account has not been created on that phone number, so you can try to use the sign up option here. Tap on login, and here just tap on the sign up option to create a new account on that phone number. Or if your account phone number has already registered or linked to a TikTok account, so you can tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right, and here just tap on Help Center, and then select See More option under Account section. Tap on Login here, and here just tap on Report a Problem. And now on the screen, just tap on Topic, then select the topic, which is Account Access and Security. Select Category, select I'm going to select Login Issue from here. Then enter your username. You have to enter the username of your account with which you're trying to log in. Then you have to enter your sign up date. If you remember, you can enter your sign up date. Then enter your country or city where you are trying to sign up your account. After that, you can enter your email or phone number. So you have to enter your phone number here, and then you have to enter your device you last used to log in. Then you have to enter your linked accounts. If you have any linked account, it might be Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram to your TikTok. So you can enter that here. After that, you have to enter some additional details, so or some additional informations. You have to enter these compulsory. Enter your email address on which TikTok will send you notification of your account, and then you have to enter these additional details. You have to try to enter a description that your account is not logging in yet. So after entering that, just mark these checkboxes, then tap on submit option, and after that your report will be submitted to TikTok support team. After review, they will reply you on the mail address you have entered that in the additional informations, and after that you will be able to log in with your TikTok account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.